welcome to my new YouTube channel. I've been thinking about doing this for a really long time, and I finally just decided to take the plunge. I am so excited to document and share with you guys some things I'm super passionate about, like home decor, health and wellness, clean beauty, even cooking and recipes and all of the fun things. So I thought I would bring you along today for kind of just an everyday, get it all done, clean with me video. This is something I just have been meaning to do this week. I had things I needed to clean, laundry, different things around the house. So hopefully this will give you guys some tips and tricks for just making your life a little bit easier if you're like me and doing a million things at once. So I hope you guys like this. Please let me know if there's anything else you want to see, and enjoy. In the dryer. I love using dryer balls instead of fabric softener sheets because they're much safer and more natural. So I'm just putting a few drops of geranium, which is my favorite oil, on dryer balls, and you just throw it in the dryer. So now I'm just kind of rearranging, cleaning up in our family room, folding blankets, putting the pillows back where they belong, just kind of resetting the room. Does anyone else kick their drawers in? This drawer always sticks and you just have to kick it sometimes. Before I go cleaning the kitchen, I love to just put a diffuser blend in. Right now I'm diffusing lemon and thieves, which is one of my favorite for just cleansing the air and making the house smell nice and fresh while you clean. Definitely next on my list to organize. Yikes. I'm just cleaning here with my thieves cleaner. You'll see I use this pretty much on everything in our house, counters, floors, all of the things. Cleaning their electric stovetop. Ugh, I really can't wait to get rid of this thing. It is never as clean as I want it to be. I got sucked into organizing my oils that were a mess, so here I am just trying to get them back together. This is an epic fail. If you watch towards the end of this video, you'll see right about here I knocked my thieves cleaner over and it completely shattered. So I wasn't planning on vacuuming, but this is me vacuuming our floors and just cleaning up all of the glass. To clean this, but I'm using my thieves cleaner again. You'll see I do use it on all of our glass and mirrors, and it doesn't leave any streaks. Here I'm just transferring my stain remover spray into a smaller bottle so I can make a new bottle of thieves cleaner that I just shattered. So you'll see right here I'm just adding the thieves cleaner concentrate, some water, and some lemon oil. Actually my parents' dining room table that we are looking to redo and sand soon, so keep an eye out for that project coming soon. While watching TV, just trying to get it all done. My new motto is if it can take me less than 3 minutes to do, I try to just do it right then and get it over with. Crockpot recipe I'm really excited to try. It is just chicken with sun-dried tomatoes, artichokes, and some onions. So hopefully it's good tonight. I'll let you guys know. why it is so hard, but I kept trying the spoon trick trick and finally it came off. So that's the end of this video. Hopefully you guys liked seeing how I clean, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please let me know so I can make some more. Bye!